Hey everyone, my name is Erica and thank you so much for visiting my channel. So today I thought I'd bring you along with me as I sew up some pillowcases. Here in my area I belong to an organization that sews, knits, and crochets for local charities. And one of the items we have on our goal list is to make 100 pillowcases. So I just came back from a meeting, picked up a bunch of fabrics, and I'm going to whip up some on this Sunday afternoon and thought I would bring you along with me as I kind of go through the process of picking out fabrics, cutting them, ironing them, and sewing them. So I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and let me know how you like videos like this. So thanks and have a great day. So I've cut the first batch. I'm going to go ahead and do the next step, which is ironing some of these pieces in half. But this is what I'm going to be working on. I have this cute little frog material for a boy, and it's going to have this cute green polka dot as the trim piece. Then I am going to be making 2 of these Cinderella ones with a pink polka dot for the trim. Then I have this fun Doc McStuffins fabric, and I'll have the top part will be the big pink polka dots with a purple trim. And then I'm going to be doing a bunch of these love ones, which I think will be good for teenage girls. A lot of these pillowcases last year, the intention was to donate them to Ronald McDonald House. But we live in Houston, and we got struck at Harvey around August. And as y'all probably know, many people in the city lost everything they had. So this group actually donated the pillowcases to survivors of Harvey who'd lost everything and needed new bedding. But the plan this year, hopefully we won't have another disastrous storm, is to donate them to Ronald McDonald House. So I thought this love print would be good for some older girls that have kind of outgrown character fabrics. My 8-year-old actually picked this one out and thought it was really fun. So this one is going to be the fabric all on both the top and the bottom, and then the pink polka dot for the trim. This one, the top sleeve part, will actually be a pink. So I am going to start ironing now. Okay, so that is done. The pillowcases are made using the burrito roll method. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these in their little burrito rolls and then go sew them. that is it. I have finished stitching up the last of the pillowcases. I'm going to show them to you really quick. I still need to give them one final press, but I'll do that when I'm done with the whole lot of them. This is just probably 5 out of, I don't know, maybe 10 that I'll make. So this is the way the princess one came out. So we have a little pink polka dot trimming, and I did 2 that look just like this one. Here is the love one that I think again will be great for an older girl, maybe a teen, preteen. So this really fun pink and black one. And then the frog one with the green polka dot is a lot of fun as well. And then the last one I did today was the Doc McStuffins one, which I just love with the pink polka dot. I just think it's adorable. So, okay, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this kind of sew with me video. Let me know below what you thought. Also, go ahead and comment and let me know which of the pillowcases you like the best. I'd love to hear from you all. And then, of course, I have to say it. Please feel free to like and subscribe and support my channel. And I hope you will come back and visit again. Thank you and have a great day.